Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful woman crochet poncho designs, cap shawl designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of women crochet poncho designs, cap shawl designs, beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of cap shawl designs, poncho designs. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crochet poncho design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Top designs and ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful ponchos if you know crochet work. Stylish and beautiful ponchos for stylish ladies. Top designing ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.